Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Pure. This is 7th episode of How to Code in Python. Today I'll be teaching you about Booleans. So Booleans are basically true and false factors. Confused? Don't worry, I'll teach you everything in this video. So I already created a file and you can do this just the same because you already learned it in my past 6 episodes. So let's start. First we can do a true factor. Let's do print 2 equals 2 equals 2 2. Test it out. True. Okay. Now let's do a false factor. Print 3 greater than 5. Let's do a string boolean. For example, print ham in camera. True. And we can also do a false one. Print Leo roll in robot. Rob robot. Here, let's see it. Huh? See, it's false. So booleans are basically true and false commands. We use them in our everyday lives. Okay, did you see the episode 4 of variables and data types? Let's use that, put that to work in here. So we can do number 1 equals to 3. Before doing that, I recommend you to comment this out by clicking Alt 3. So number 1 equals 3, then number 2 equals 2, 18. Okay, those are two numbers. Now we can do is print 3, number 1 is equal to number 2. Okay, and false because number 1 is not equal to number 2. Okay, so let's copy that and then let's try when it's greater than number 2. Okay, false. Now let's try one last time. Well, this time number 1 is less than number 2. Test it out. And it's true this time. So false, false, and true. Did you know that we can use two booleans combined? It's true. So let me call this out so I can show you. 3. And then we're going to do print 3 is less than 0. And ham in camera. And let's test it out. So it'll come false because both of them is false. Let's also put episode 5 operations into work here by doing that. Okay, so let's do letters. We can also use variables. Letters equal to A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Then we will ask user letter input enter a lowercase letter. And then, oh, sorry, not lowercase. Uppercase letter. Then, there's print user letter is equal to letters. So let's do A, false. And let's do that again. Run that through again. And let's do T, false, because not equal. It doesn't mean in, because it means equal. But what if you put in? Let's test it out. Enter uppercase R. Let's do R, lowercase r. False. And then let's do E, true, because it's uppercase. And the user letter, if it's uppercase, it'll be in letters. So that's for our video. It's not too much, but we still learn a bit of some Python language. And next episode, I'll teach you about if-else conditions. And then in the point 5, we will make a huge project on everything we learned in Python. So thanks you for watching. Please like this video, and thank you, and bye.